Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today, okay? And a question is, would you spend $30 one time if it meant you could earn hundreds, potentially thousands of dollars? Okay, now if you take a moment to think about that, then I want to share this program with you. Again, think about it, $30 one time. Actually, it's $29.95 one time out of pocket. And you have the potential with this program, okay, to earn thousands of dollars over time, okay? So I want you to think about that for a moment as we move on down the line, okay? Let's look at number one here. You would never have to struggle financially again. Once you get this going, and you're consistent and persistent, the potential is amazing. Okay, number two, earn multiple, and this is one of the things that I love about this opportunity is that I have the ability to earn multiple $20 payments over and over again. You have that same potential, okay, and you'll have that potential should you get started in this program. Okay, now earn unlimited instant 100% commissions for every person who joins with your link, okay? And another thing I like about this opportunity is that the money comes direct to you, okay? And we use either PayPal or Cash App or both. So whichever one of those you want to use or both of them, then you're able to do that with this system, okay? So let's move on, and I've got a quick video. It's about less than a minute to share with you, okay? Okay, look here for me. It says, are you ready to plug into an amazing micro money machine that can instantly fill your bank account with $20 deposits over and over again? Okay, now you know, it is $20, but then there's a $9.95 mini site fee, admin fee, okay? And that's one time out of pocket, $29.95. All right, let's listen to this brief video, okay?
Hi, and welcome to the world's best and most effective way to make money online. This brand new website package is a powerful income generation system that will keep $20 payments to you coming in over and over again. Here's how it works. You simply buy the Easy20Now package one time for $20 and then sell it as many times as possible for $20 each. It's that simple. This is not a multi-level pyramid or matrix program. This is your very own reseller site, which includes advertising and marketing materials. Your site, exactly like this one, will automatically sell $20 packages for you 24 hours a day, and you keep all the profits. If you've ever wanted to own a website or an online business, but just haven't had the ideas, experience, or know-how, Easy20Now is the best place to start.
Okay, now in closing this video, back to the initial question. Would you spend $30 one time out of pocket if it meant you could earn hundreds, potentially thousands of dollars over time? And if the answer is yes, I would spend $29.95 or $30 if I could earn thousands of dollars with a program, then grab the link in the description area of this video and get started today, okay? I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.